Hey crafty friends, I'm back with a new unboxing video. This is box number 10 from Your Paper Insider, which is a quarterly box filled with colorful and unique papers from around the world. I've had my eye on this box for a little bit and finally decided to give it a try. The first thing inside was a holographic envelope with a welcome card. This is a very shiny envelope and will fit a standard size card. The paper is nicely packaged in tissue paper, which I will be saving for a future gift. Inside, there are 3 more holographic envelopes for a total of 4. All the paper is sealed in plastic. This top sheet is a list of all the included papers. Most appear to be standard letter size, and all of the paper weights are on the list as well. Now to dive into all the paper and see what we have. First, we have 2 sheets of velvet felt paper in a lovely bay blue. This paper is so soft and silky that I have no idea how I'm going to use it because it just feels way too nice to actually use. We have silver holographic cracked paper. This is aquamarine glitter gloss, which is sealed so the glitter doesn't fall off. Berrylicious pop tone. Black Royal Sundance linen. And this is Stellar White Carnival Groove. It's a textured paper. This is a pale yellow glitter cardstock, which I have ran my fingers on and appears the glitter stays on, which is nice. This is Color Plan Factory Yellow. This is medium yellow 5057. This fun paper is Fuchsia Rayon Grid Tissue, which will be nice for a background in a card if you want extra texture. This paper is Tie-Ray Yellow Rayon. It looks like it has nice white flecks inside it. This is Orange Fizz Pop Tone. This shiny paper is Orange Daiquiri Cocktail Shimmer. Actually, I really like it. This translucent vellum is called Cartham Orange. We have another shimmer paper in pink this time called Beauty Pink So Silk. This light paper with a fun design is White Hemp Flower Rayon, another great piece for backgrounds in cards. We have Bougainville Pink Malmero. Here's another non-shed glitter called Hot Pink. More beautiful pink in Favini Boreno Cyclamen Pink. We have some holographic paper that is called Oil Slick, and it definitely matches the envelopes. Another shimmery paper, this time in green, called Shocking Green So Silk. Another vellum, Kiwi Translucent. Ooh, this paper is really fun. I like it. It's called Lime Pearlized Filigree. This is Sun Fluorescent Matte. Ooh, another shimmery paper, Lime Satin Shine. No Shed Black Glitter. Ultra White Smooth Cardstock. Ooh, a shimmer black paper called Black Russian. And that is everything in box number 10 from Your Paper Insider. I think my favorite papers might be the shimmer ones. If you would like your own box, I will have links in the description below. Also, like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what your favorite paper is. Thanks for watching and have a crafty day. Bye!